ridiculously. Like, you think something like that. Like, if you were a carp fisherman,
Heaven.
Yeah, carp all day. I mean, you can just probably sit on like a kayak with a dope.
I was watching you, bro. I wasn't ready to set that night.
Those other days when they hooked themselves. I mean, something was smacking me earlier. So I'm calling the bait so they can smack it. Maybe they'll get smacked in the face. Yeah, funny. Something's like hitting me.
Yeah.
Got him. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's monster carp or something.
Water? Or net?
No, not yet. He's gonna be in there. if I get him, it's monster, whatever it is. It's a fight. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I told you I'm gonna throw the bait that they're gonna hook themselves without that. Oh, you don't have to worry about it. You can fish, man, if you want.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Fish on! Warm water. Get some weight to him, that's for sure. Wow.
Screaming line.
Pull and drag. Wow, there you go.
I'm gonna have to Facebook Live you, bro.
Come on. Wow.
Striper?
I have no clue. I haven't even seen the lights ever on. I was going to assume with all the carp jumping, it was probably a carp team. But
Is this a PB something?
it's a big something. It's like fighting a submarine. Oh, it's so drag. You can go.
You're going live.
Wow. Facebook Live?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Got Thomas Harden fishing. He's got a monster on over here in the poop.
Hopefully we can see her. Just keep running a cool drag.
At some point, I will have to try to net the fish with my phone in the other hand.
Don't talk about it.
Seen massive carp jumping. Could be a cat, could be a striper. Could be the new DC record for bass.
We bass fishing, you need to take me to the beach instead of saltwater fishing.
Oh, bro, you got one ahi on. Tuna fishing in the Potomac. Is it dead weight?
It is a giant carp.
It's a giant carp.
It looks like a big orange ball down there, I think. It's going to be a minute. She's not coming up. That's a big one, though. Might be a PB, I don't know.
Might be his PB carp.
I don't know. Oh, it's going to come with a PB carp. It might be it. We're going to fight into it.
Facebook Live's been sponsored by DC Water. DC Water is life.
Oh, I think the reason is a back Probably is. It's definitely a PB if I do.
PB carp?
It's hooked in the back, yeah. She must have swiped at it.
Swiped at a rattle trap.
That's why she's fighting so good, hooked in the back. Unless it came off, look, there it is.
Oh my gosh.
It might not. It might make it, it might not. We'll see.
Oh my gosh, that tail is huge. Alright, I'm about to put the phone down, guys.
It stays hooked up.
Getting serious. This puts my PV carp to shame, which is like 13 pounds.
Well, it looks like she could fall off at any minute.
She's going, taking you for a ride.
Oh yeah, I mean, she's pulling us around. I'm following her wherever she wants to go. I'm just waiting for her to give up. But
This is the Woodrow Wilson Bridge in the background.
I don't think she's going to give up.
It's MGM right there.
Anytime soon. I mean, she's coming up, so we'll see.
I'm just worried about netting it and being able to hold on. She almost ready?
If you want, you can.
Nah.
No, hold the net handle. Hold the net handle. Just hold the handle. Make it a little longer. There you go.
All right, I'm putting the phone down. So
stay in the boat. Don't lose your phone. I need you to keep your phone because I'll feel bad if you lose your phone. Carps aren't worth it, even though this one is.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's definitely a citation. I would think. All right.
Oh wow.
Maybe she'll turn around.
All right, phone's going down.
Oh no! Wait, no, she's going for another ride. Oh wait, she's coming. Oh no, she's going for another. Oh wait.
I got a head netter.
Oh, she's not ready. She said not yet. Oh, wait, oh no. She can't decide. She keeps coming. Wait, oh, I think she's tiring out. I think she's tiring out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Oh my god. I can't even carry the net.
Wow.
Tommy's got a monster car.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, definitely it broke the PB. 100%. That is 100% over the PB.
Oh my gosh.
I can just guarantee that for a fact.
Well,
you didn't you say you wanted a citation fish?
Yes.
So it wasn't the smallmouth we were looking for, or the largemouth. But there you go. I'm pretty sure that's a citation fish. And the old smallie catcher, the black is silver knocking trap. So one of my fall favorites for smallmouth.
I think I'm gonna have to pull the fish grips out for that.
Oh, I forgot about that.
That is a chunky carp.
It might be bigger than my grips can hold. I don't know. Let's see. I know it's going to take us for a ride. It's going to want to shake him. Spots everywhere.
We're in 8.5 feet, so you're good.
No, I'm saying she's going to want to jump.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's Magic Carp from Pokemon.
I don't know, it's saying 25 something.
25 something.
But I swear that's bigger than what mine was. My PB I think is 26. I swear it's bigger than.
Let me see that belly.
You see the belly? Woo!
It's a monster.
Woo! That is a big carp.
Thomas. Alright. It's a sweet picture. Look at that. iPhone 7.
Wait, let it go. Oh. Look at that monster. Big carp.